Welcome back to my channel. I'm Gian. Today we're making some irresistible honey jerk chicken wings right in the oven. They're spicy, sticky, and perfect for any occasion. Wash and pat your wings dry. Season with mild jerk seasoning, vegetable oil, chicken bouillon powder, all-purpose seasoning, lots of honey because after all this is honey jerk wings. You're also going to add soy sauce and a little bit of dried parsley. Now toss until every wing is well coated and look at all of that seasoning. There is so much flavor in there. It is best to let this marinate overnight, but if you're short on time, you can cook it right away or you can let it sit for at least 4 hours. When it's time to cook the wings, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. I like to line my baking pan with parchment paper or foil for easy cleanup. Now, since these wings are going to be more saucy than crispy, it's okay to crowd them in the pan. If you want to make crispy wings, then place a wire rack into the baking dish or your baking sheet pan. Lay the wings on top in a single layer. This helps the air to circulate for extra crispy wings as it bakes. Place the wings into the oven that's been preheated at 400 degrees and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes. There you have it, honey jerk chicken wings. Simple, absolutely delicious, and packed with flavor. It's a little bit spicy, a little bit sweet, and so good. If you've loved this recipe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I will have the recipe linked below in the description box, and I will see you in the next one.